everyone, it's Danielle here from YL Sunshine Diamonds, and I started with Young Living 11 years ago. I'm now in my mid-40s and I feel much better than I did 11 years ago. So here are my top 5 Young Living supplements to support our bodies when we're in our 40s and beyond. Before I get started, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, YL Sunshine Diamonds. And when you get started with Young Living, remember to put my member number, 110-9200, or the member number of the person who introduced you. Oh, and men, I had to include one extra one for you, so stay and listen to the end. My favorite, sulfazyme. Provides a temporary relief from the pain of osteoarthritis. They're little capsules. Most of these are little capsules like this. It contains 3 active ingredients. It contains MSM, Ningxia wolfberry fruit powder, and copaiba essential oils. MSM is a naturally occurring form of dietary fiber, and it helps to relieve joint pain associated with osteoarthritis. So this is one I love to take every morning, especially before walking up a mountain. This is inner defense. It supports the body's natural defenses and supports the immune system, and it promotes healthy respiratory function. The next one I take every day, Omegagize. Omegagize is a fish oil supplement that can support healthy cardiovascular system, energy levels, and enhance general health and well-being in adults. Contains antioxidants to reduce free radicals formed in the body in adults. It supports healthy teeth and bones in adults. It maintains brain function or cognitive function in adults. And I'll put a link at the end of this video just to this supplement because I did a video just on this one. My next supplement that I love to take every day, Ningxia Red. So this is actually a juice where we drink it. So Ningxia Red is a powerful antioxidant drink that contains the whole Ningxia wolfberry puree. So that's why we have to shake it, because the puree sits at the bottom and then the juice sits at the top. This is the perfect choice for optimizing wellness and stepping up to a whole new level of health. And Ningxia Red contains zeaxanthin and can give you a boost of antioxidants and energy when consumed daily. The next one is Aluminized. And if you are like me, I'm in front of the computer quite a bit. And this can mean that we are exposed to blue light from electronics. So Aluminized contains lutein and zeaxanthin. They're little capsules like this. It maintains healthy eye function and eyesight, decreases eye strain and visual fatigue, and helps to support healthy vision development, reduces free radicals formed in the body, and helps decrease free radical damage to the cells. So there's one for the men that I said I would do last. It's supplement Prostate Health. So Prostate Health was formulated for men concerned with prostate health, traditionally used for its effect on the prostate health as an anti-inflammatory agent. It aids in prostate function in men with early stage medically diagnosed benign prostatic hyperplasia or BPH. Men, it is best to start this supplement in your 40s, and one day your wife may thank you for your healthy prostate and all its benefits. I have got a video on this supplement as well, so I'll put the link into that one too. So we need to put good things in our body and our body will thank us. And I'm so grateful for Young Living coming into my life 11 years ago and want to help other people have health like my family. Feel free to send me an email to ylsunshinediamonds@gmail.com. So overall, there are the 5 supplements. Can you remember what they are? Sulfazyme, Inner Defense, Omegagize 3, Ningxia Red, Aluminized, and for men, Prostate Health. Which supplement is your favorite?